What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good old unboxing video for you all. So today I am unboxing my April Allure Beauty Box. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's inside. I'm excited because I think this month's box is in collaboration with Carli Bybel, who is a very famous YouTuber. So here it is. When you open it up, you have Carli's face on the magazine. She is gorgeous. So I'm super excited to see what she picked for this box. So as always, you get information about the items that are in the box. So we'll go through this in just a second. The first thing I'm going to pick out, it is this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Box lineup. So I guess if you scratch here, you'll see an exclusive. I don't want to scratch right now. So here is this month's little baggie. It is a clear bag, so you can kind of see all the products in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up and just look at the first thing in here. So the first item in here is a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Purple Rain. So this is a full-size pencil. I heard about Laura Geller. I have never used her products, but I know they're pretty good. That is a beautiful color. It's like a lavender, like dark lavender purpley color. So pretty. And the pencil is retractable, which is amazing. So I'm super excited to try this. Let's see how much this retails for. It retails for $22, which is amazing because this is the full size item in here. So pretty much your box is already paid for. You get one of a variety of shades in your box. The colors range from soft lilac to deep black. So I think this is a soft lilac color. I mean, this is Purple Rain, so super pretty. I'm actually really happy that I got this color. Next item in here is actually a, what's it called? A brush. So this is by Luxie, and this is a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. And I love these blending brushes. This is literally all I use for my eyes because I use the Real Techniques one, and I usually use it for like everything on my eyes because I don't do any complicated looks. I just kind of blend everything out. Hairs are not coming out or anything. It sells for $12. Yeah, I really like it. It's not too stiff and it's not too soft, so it'll be great for blending. Next item in here, let's see. We have a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This box is amazing already. For $15, you're getting all these products. I love this. So this is in the color Pure Hollywood. And I love me a liquid lip. Oh yeah, it's like a nudie, perfectly pinky nudie color. So pretty. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh yeah, it is a perfect nudie color. This retails for $20, so you already have a $20 item, a $22 item, and a $12 item. So this box is definitely worth it. So the next thing in here is Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Awesome, because I definitely need one of these. So this item retails for $24 for the full size. It's got a floral fragrance. I'm super excited to try this item. Never heard of this brand before, but sounds promising. Next thing in here is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow. The packaging is so like nice. It's like kind of heavy, high quality packaging. And the color, what color is this? Bronzage? Is it bronzage? Ooh, it's like a really pretty bronzy color. That is so pretty. Ooh, yeah, it's like a golden bronzy color. Eyeshadow retails for $27. Yeah, so super excited for that. And then the last item in here is a Vita Liberata Advanced Organic Tan Infused Cloth for face and body. Ooh, so you get 2 cloths for tanning. It says directions: remove cloth from the sachet and wipe onto clean exfoliated skin in large circular movements. Allow 48 hours for your tan to fully develop. Tanning time and color development may vary depending on skin type. I kind of want to use this for my face because I put on a fake tan today. It hasn't like fully developed yet, but I use a Saint Tropez mousse and I literally just used it 3 hours ago. So this is cool that we got this in this box. So they are Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. They're $25 for a pack of 8 and $39 for a pack of 16. We obviously just got a sample for 2 of them. I think that's everything. Boop, that's everything in the box, guys. So yeah, that's this month's box. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you think these items were amazing, because I did. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I also have, I'm gonna leave the link to Allure so you guys can go subscribe to it. All right, thanks guys, bye.